Welcome back to Freezer Delights to give you a fright. We got in the house tonight a Banquet Salisbury steak served with its corn and mashed potatoes and Gordon Ramsay's roast beef and wait for it, a red wine sauce. Yeah, because we're fancy. Banquet also comes with dessert. Shut the microwave door. This is gonna be a real treat. Welcome back to Nuking the Cow. Roast beef's on the cheaps. How much bang for our beef are we gonna get to eat? Well, the Salisbury steak comes in at a whopping 11.88 ounces. Gordon only weighing in at 9.5 ounces. Not quite as a heavy hitter as this Banquet. With Gordon's price coming in at around $7, this Banquet coming in at around $5. It's gonna be a hell of a microwave showdown. Our celebrity chef, straight after his quadruple at Applebee's, Chef Sam's Microwave!
I'm so tired. Why do you make me work so much? I don't even get paid for this shit.
Let's take a peeky poo.
I gotta stop saying that.
Let's take a looky-see, a gander at our Banquet. Solid. All in individual TV dinner style containers so that your food doesn't touch. Because why? If my food touches, you can't eat it, right? Gordon, what's going on in here? All right, just looks like hunks of beef and potatoes. Solid. That's what we're working with. Let's get Chef on the job. You need a knife, tools. If you want dessert, you gotta work for it. All right, first 4 minutes. Go.
Oh, guys. Oh, you know I'm trying to eat healthier, right?
It's great, Chef. Great.
My poor wife.
BHT sodium bisphenolate. Water, cream, margarine, soybean oil. Oh, we got to real food for a second. Vitamin B, chlorophyll, natural flavors, soybean, sugar, salt, non-fat, dry monosodium glutamate, xanthium gum. Okay, Jesus Christ. Is any of this food? Chef, we good?
Well, we're good.
All right, look at that gorgeous hunk of meat. That's an interesting color for not occurring in nature. I'm gonna eat that.
Why do you do this to me? Why?
All right, there's our slop.
Yummy in the fucking tummy.
Oh, babe. Whew. Gordon, let's hope you're looking a little better in the process, shall we? Chef, you ready?
Please, God, no.
Y'all, I believe in you, Chef. Thanks, Chef. Appreciate you.
Go to hell, you stinky bastard.
All right, Gordon, fresh out of the microwave oven. All right, I got my TV dinners to make me thinner, because I don't want to eat this shit. America, the unhealthy. Let's take a look at what we got. Here is the tried and true favorite dish of all single dudes across the country, our Banquet. Again, we got our mashed potatoes here. At least I think they're mashed potatoes of some form or another. Here's our beautiful hunk of meat, our beautiful meat patty. If you look on the other side, it's almost got some grill marks. Yeah, that's how you know it's fresh. Oh. Okay, and then we got our apples. There's a couple apples and a lot of sauce. And of course, we have what appears to be our wilted corn. Looking real good. Can't wait to shove that in the trash can in a little bit. So then we have Gordon's here. Well, it actually smells like a roast. Potatoes look like potatoes, so that's a solid win for Gordon on that too, by comparison. And looks like the gravy. Hey, it looks like gravy. So Gordon, you are really impressing me this evening, thus far, at least by comparison. I'm gonna go into the Banquet first because I feel like I might have to wash it down with Gordon's. Okay, I'm gonna eat this. I ate these when I was younger. You know, I did. Oh, it's really kind of tough, even for being what is a ground piece of meat. And what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Please don't kill me. Let's do this. Banquet Salisbury steak. Mushy, very gelatin-like. Excuse me. I tried. And I couldn't. That is not, it's not even dog food. Banquet, after 70 years, or however long you've been around, long time. How long's Banquet been around? A long time. And you still are serving this? What is this? This doesn't even look like meat. I don't, oh damn it. Why does anybody buy this? Why is this a thing? How? I'm gonna try the corn. Wilk's corn. Oh, fuck me. Can't eat that. This is hard, it's not edible. Apples. Okay. The apples are good. I'm gonna eat some more apples. Candy. Welcome back to food that's just rude to put out into the world. Please don't eat that. Ever. Gordon! What you got, bud? Look, this was obviously even charred, like before it got frozen. You can see where that's real markings. And I'm not just trying to fucking boost Gordon's soul here or anything, but that looks like it was actually braised, right? It's a little tough. It tastes like a roast. Not a good roast, but a roast. And potato. I mean, it's a potato. Very mushy. It's a little overdone. I think I'd like a little more texture to my potato, if I could. But I mean, comparatively speaking, Gordon obviously winning again against the Banquet. It wasn't too hard of a challenge, I don't feel like. But this also isn't that good. I mean, for what it is, a frozen food, TV dinner, in comparison to this, I mean, this is amazing. But in reality, I'm not gonna eat any more of it. One's enough. Make a real roast, you know, in a couple hours, throw it in your crock pot, forget about it. Come back and have hot roast for a day or two. Or, if you're a single dude and you have no idea how to cook, you might be able to slide this past a girl and let her think that you made this. But also, she might think that you made this. I'm done. Hi, buddy. Are you interested in either of these frozen dinners? Anyway, there you have it, folks. Not even fit for a dog. Well, thanks for watching Single Foods for Single Dudes. And if they're gonna serve this to anybody that comes over to their apartment, they're gonna stay single. Thanks for hanging out with me while I tried these frozen foods so you didn't have to. You're welcome. Please like, subscribe, comment. So stay fresh, stay thawed, stay safe. You'll live longer. You won't even touch the fork to touch the Banquet?
Mm-mm. God.
Try the Banquet.
I don't know.
You vote with your dollar, okay? How is this still voted for? I don't know. It's so fucking mind-boggling. Just produce, who's buying it, who's fucking eating it. Like, it shouldn't be in grocery stores. It's not food. It's literally not, I mean, sure, it's edible. You can eat it. Will it keep you alive? Yeah, but it might also kill you in the long run because it's not food. Well, who's buying it? Why is it there? How is this still a thing? Who really is just like, this is delicious. God, give me more. I wish I could eat one of these every night for dinner. Yummy. No, don't. If I'm spitting it out, how is it food? If like literally I'm just like, that, I can't eat it. How is anybody else eating it? Does nobody have taste buds? Respect yourself. You can do better. Fuck me.
Order up.